Welcome to Super Growth Stocks. This is Morris. In this video, I want to scroll through a number of holdings and key stocks here at Super Growth Stocks. And we'll begin with an interesting play and a personal holding is the Calamos Convertible Opportunities Income Fund. This may look a little bit boring, but notice the move off of the lows recently here. In the stock market plunge, this was pure D opportunity. We got involved in the issue right about here. What's very key about this and very solid is you'll notice right here, the yield on this ETF is 9.7%. Now you'll note it pays $1 per share dividend, and that doesn't change. So that if price goes lower, it pays $1. The yield is much higher. When we got involved in it, it was yielding about 10.5%. It's currently yielding 9.7%, but this is a solid way to invest some capital. One of the hot stocks that's been followed for years now is Facebook. It's been in the doldrums, been a lot of controversy around policies at Facebook. Earnings came out, they were stellar. Notice the move up 10.82%. Solid action. We're looking for a little bit of a drift. Fibonacci analysis on the chart. You could give half of this back. I kind of doubt it makes it down that far. But Amazon looks to be bleeding in Friday a little bit, and that could have a negative impact on this other FANG stock. And then there is the very similar, by the way, to the first chart, the Calamos Income Fund. This is Carl Icahn Enterprises. It also, my yield area here is covered up with this caption box. But it's a very similar story, and it's yielding about the same, just about 9.5% yield. Very solid action. JP Morgan's a stock we highlighted a couple weeks ago. The inverse head and shoulder formation looks solid. Targeting this neckline on this one, that's at 111. That's a nice move from this 103 area. Micron, this is a stock that has broke out the pennant, and it's looking and consolidating. All of these stocks now are giving back a little bit. This is very common. Notice how that worked out right through here. If you look at the dates on this, this is early January. This is just a 60-minute chart. So you get a pennant, breakout, consolidation, and we're looking for another breakout on the Micron technology. Netflix was our short play. We bought the put options. We made some money on that. This stock chart is a concern with Amazon coming down pre-market. Not sure that the FANG stocks are out of the woods just yet. They may have to go into a deeper consolidation. Then there is another chart of Netflix following our signals here at SGS, and it's been pretty stellar and some very nice moves on the long side, making some money on the downside as well. Last chart we want to look at, one of the previous leaders, it's been taken to the woodshed, and that's PayPal. Had some disappointment, still growing at 26%. PE for that kind of growth rate. You can see a little bit of a consolidation here. This stock appears to be going into correction mode. Traders need to be aware of that. Long-term investors, this just opens up the door for bigger opportunity. That's all for now. This is Morris with SGS saying thank you.